Hi, teacher. That's my future plan, and I hope you enjoy it. What is the objective that is nearby in my future plan? Well, that is get a job. And why? Because if I get a job, I am going to help in the house to pay the bills and buy some food. And why not? I don't need to say something like, "Hey dad, do you have some money? I want to hang out with my friends." No, because I have my own money, because obviously I work. So that is the objective that is nearby. Then 4 or 5 years later, I will graduate to the university, and I want to and I want a good score. So I need to work hard and leave behind the lazy Brian. And when I finish my career, when I finish the university, I want to save money to become an independent person. So when I become an independent person, because I know I will make it, at that moment I will marry with a beautiful woman, and I'm sure about that. And with that woman, I am going to have child and have my own family. And if all that make in that order, when I have 40, 45, I become a president of Nicaragua. Yes, and I will make a new education system. And that's not the only. I will become. I will make a Central America only one country, and that's my future plan. But what is the purpose of my life? It's easy. It's been a it's been a good man and try to enjoy the life, and that's it.